Smacked. That is huge. First six, and it's an upper decker.
That is an unbelievable shot. That is a terrific shot.
Mustafizur. Oh, no look. No look.
And hitting that no-look shots. And that's gone all the way for the maximum. Let's see. They're having a look.
Oh, what a shot that is. That is crisp. That's the shot of the night. Gets inside and flicks it away.
A lot of time together, AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli. And that...
Oh, the ramp! He's ramped it over the top, and it's gone miles.
What are we witnessing?
Brave, skillful. I think a little bit of stupidity involved there. Definitely some stupidity in that.
Oh, no.